How to use Table of Laplace Transform by Non Saruni, Mazaya and Masniza. Tips. 1. Determine the equation and question keyword. Laplace transform fort, or inverse Laplace f's. 2. Select the correct formulae. 3. Apply on the formulae. For Laplace transform, from the table f, t, is the question, while f's is the answer. For inverse Laplace transform, f, s, is the question, while f, t, is the answer. You are given two examples. Example 1 is the Laplace transform and example 2 is the inverse Laplace transform. Step 1. Identify question keyword. For this example the keyword is sin 8t. Step 2. Choose the correct formulae. It is formulae number 9. Step 3. Apply the formulae. Use omega equals 8. Here example 2. Step 1. Identify the question key point. For this example the key point is s plus a. Step 2. Choose the correct formulae. It is formulae number 14. Step 3. Apply the formulae. Determine the correct omega and a, so omega is equals to 6 and a equals to 4. Hope you can understand how to use Table of Laplace Transform. Thanks.